These people working from the county, sucking off the taxpayers and pulling this. Here's Mary Candaris. I've put her oath up. She's in perjury of oath. Nothing to do about it. Her boss needs to fire her. She's corrupt. Okay? He's nothing, not even a phone call from these people. Mary Candaris. I don't believe this oath is correct anyway. It's not a constitutional oath. This is simulated bullshit. Exhibit 7. Okay? Now, all this, here's the file stamp. Mr. Belfort files this motion. After we found all this stuff, they committed fraud in this case right here against him. So he did a motion, notice to reopen, due to fraud on, fraud on the court. All these brought upon this court against my title concerning testimonies, representation by the defendants, attorneys, insurance companies, former officers, and directors of Wilcox Ranch Property Association. Okay, exhibits 1 through 33. There's so much damage in those 33 exhibits. Okay, so, and then you look at Gail Kern. She's got Kern Associate LAD, Gail A. Kern LAD, Leach Kern, Grushow Anderson Song. I mean, all these different things. We don't know Kern Associates LTD. So what they do, the MO, is to change all these different things after they ripped off the homeowners associations and everything else are ripping everybody off. So they change all the names so you can't go after their malpractice insurance. Okay, she got 1, 2, 3, 4 different entities. What's going on? These are all on the papers. Why are you have all these different names? We don't know who you are, but you have liens on our properties. Okay, a false lien. Okay, I've seen where they prosecute people for doing that, for recording that stuff on there. Here's my criminal claims, my initial claims, and it was done early but I followed it up with the Secretary of State because they're in dereliction of duty. They all got it. Attorney General, not even a phone call from these people. Okay, this is a sworn verified claim. When I did this, I didn't have as much on the cases. Now this thing's like triple that size. Okay, so this was sent to them by email too. And to these people here, Washoe County, all the commissioners, State Farm, Kern, Kathy Gladner, Washoe County, Brian Farmer, Doreen Ertel, M. Candaris, DA, Metzger, Secretary of State, another person for the Secretary of State, sent a carbon copy to Belfort, myself, Wilcox Ranch POA email to document the frauds, to protect the people's property rights. So then we go down here. Now I want to know where this $33,000 is, and I send this. That's the State Farm notice. Okay, here's where it was sent to the Washoe County Treasurer, and all the 5 commissioners got it. And then recently I requested this on March 3rd, 3 days before the hearing, and all of a sudden now it's being sent to the district attorney here, okay? And I didn't send it to them. That's all of a sudden all the other ones never had it, so they're cleaning the documents. Take notice that the roads are not up to grading standards due to the acts and threats, while the fire department, planning and building department are rubber stamp subdivision for profit, aided by the attorneys and Washoe County employees and United States officers or co-actors / lien claimants. So you can see that because this is all involved in it. And I'm going to FOIA where the state money for this subdivision went that we're talking about here, because there's a lot of money involved in those subdivisions, and that goes to the state, just like your property taxes do. That's why they're involved, the state of Nevada. Your property taxes go up to the state and they just disperse it. This is a big racketeering operation. It's all based on property. So they went ahead. I don't know who this guy, point of contact, Ernie Rodriguez is, but he's acting with these people. I don't know why they're sending it here. It wasn't mailed to them like that. Okay? And it's none of the district attorney's business. All they're doing is trying to cover up the frauds. Damage control. So you go down here again, the district attorney. And it's funny, I put 4 of them out. The day after the March 6th Board of Adjustments, the day after Friday, I got all the emails. They denied all 4 of my FOIAs. I'm going to show them all what they're doing here. They closed it. Okay. It's been closed. And then you come down here and there's a letter, for an email from Linda Jacobs, who I originally got the original from. In regards to your public thing, basically, those documents are confidential. Really? So your money scams, money laundering then. The people don't have a right to know what you're doing with that money. Oh, that's interesting. There it is right there. I wonder who's telling her to do this. Is it the district attorney? Okay. These people are corrupt. This is about as corrupt as you get. Stand by for the other ones.